wasting time typing video captions manually. What if I told you Canva can automatically generate captions for you? And the best part is, it's all for free and without typing a single word. Don't scroll, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover a hidden feature that most creators don't even know exists, and it might just change the way you edit videos forever. And by the way, if you're a complete beginner, don't worry. I'll walk you through step by step. I will show you how to access Canva for the very first time. Let's get started. Please follow along so you don't miss any important detail. But before we jump in, let's make sure we're on the same page. What exactly is Canva? Canva is a free online design tool that helps you create almost anything visually. This includes company logos, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, videos, presentations, and yes, even videos with automatic captions. And the best part is, you don't need graphics design or editing skills. You don't need to purchase expensive software either. If you can drag, drop, and click, then you can use Canva. It's beginner-friendly. It works right inside your browser. For mobile users, it also has a free mobile app. Step 1. Go to www.canva.com. If you don't have a Canva account, click Sign up for free. You can use your Google, Facebook, or email address. However, if you have a Canva account, sign in using your Gmail or Google account. Once you've signed up or signed in, you'll land on your Canva dashboard or interface. Now, this is your creative space. If you're new to Canva, I've dropped the Canva link in the description below. Just click it to access Canva for free and follow along step by step. Remember, it's all free. No money or credit card needed. Just sign up and start creating. All right, now let's get to the real action. Uploading your video to Canva. First, click Create a Design. From the options, select Video, Landscape. That's the standard 1920 by 1080 pixels. In our case, go ahead and choose YouTube Video. You'll see a blank video canvas open up. Next, head over to the Uploads tab and click Upload Files. Select your video from your computer, and once it's done uploading, just drag it onto the timeline. Or simply double-click to drop it in. Nice! Your video is now inside Canva. Step 3. Select your video. Then click Generate Subtitles or look for Captions in the left panel. Canva listens to your audio and automatically transcribes it. Give it a few seconds, and just like that, it's done! Your video captions appear on screen perfectly timed to your voice. Look at that! You didn't type a single word, didn't copy or paste. Canva took care of it all. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to customize captions in Canva. Click your captions on the screen. You can then change fonts, size, and colors. You can also try bold fonts like Open Sans or Anton or your preferred fonts. Use bright colors like white or yellow. These will make them stand out. You may decide to add a solid background box behind your captions. This will ensure better readability, especially on busy videos. You can even animate your captions. You can animate using Typewriter to make the words look like it's typing. Make the captions bounce. You can even try the burst option. Now, let's assume you want to translate your video into another language. Here's how to do it in Canva. All right, start by opening the video or design you want to translate. Next, on the left side of your Canva dashboard, click on Apps. Search for the Translate and then click on it. Now, choose the language you want to translate your text into. Let's go with Hindi for this one. And finally, click Translate, and Canva will automatically change all the text in your design or video. Once you're happy and content, click Share. Then, Download. Ensure you download the MP4 video option, since we are working on a video. Under Settings, make sure Include Captions is checked or ticked. If this helped you, drop a comment and tell me, what is your biggest struggle when editing videos right now? If this video inspired you or you learned something today, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video for others to benefit. Wait, before you leave, make sure you watch my last video. I walk you through how to start a faceless YouTube channel that earns even while you sleep, plus the AI tools you'll need.